In my previous box openings, I've been lucky. They've been factory sealed and they've been new black boxes. But I've received messages and read different things online from people that said the ones they received had been resealed. And I've said, I believe during these videos, at least also in some messages, that I'd never buy a used one of these because it'd be a crapshoot. You really wouldn't know what you're getting. And people have talked about replacements, how there have been like different case items in them. And so, I don't know, I guess I got bored. And so I decided, let me get the F box, the F case black box. But I ordered it in used good condition. And the description of this, let's see here, is minor cosmetic damage on top, front, or side of the item, moderate packaging damage observed during inspection. So, yeah, I decided to do this. So let's see. Yeah, there's definitely some damage there. Rest of it isn't too bad. Obviously not just the circles from the factory. This has been retaped with a lot of tape. This is supposed to be the F case box. As you see, there's just a lot of tape on this. So, yeah, I've said this is stupid to do, and now we'll see. Okay, let's see what's in here. Okay, this is from the Q case, new for 2022. So this is obviously from last year. The McLaren Elva. I'm thrilled to get that. Let's see. The Bricking Speed, new for 2022. This is a Lego-based car, apparently. Lego style. Again, not from the F case. Oh, okay. This is, and that one was from the Q case from last year. This one, the 70s van, is actually from the F case, so we got that. 72 Ford Gran Torino Sport, again, a prior year case. The Cockney Cab, again, prior year case, Q. I'm not too upset by these cars. I mean, it's not what I ordered, but at the same time, it's not terrible. The Ford Shelby GT350R Q case. So apparently whoever swapped into this, the Audi new for 2023 Audi 90 Quattro. That's a beautiful little casting. That is the F case. Whoever bought this and then decided they were going to swap cars, had a bunch of last year's Q case sitting around. Lotus Emira. That's from the F case for this year. Batmobile. Huh. That's from last year, apparently. I don't have that. That's kind of cool. This is from the F case. The 70 Pagani Huayra Roadster. Jeez, I need to practice how to pronounce some of these things. Oh, another Audi 90 Quattro. So obviously whoever bought this originally got more than one of these boxes or picked up things off the pegs because there shouldn't be any duplicates. And this is a duplicate from this year's F case. So obviously somebody definitely did play around with this. Tri 5 Terrace 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser. That is from the F case. The Carbonator. That's from last year, a Q case. Yeah, a lot of Q case. Another new for 2022. Q? Yep, Q case. Yeah, so whoever did this had a bunch of Q case castings from last year. And 15 Mazda MX-5 Miata. That's nice. That's a nice looking car. Oh, that's from the E case. I don't know which year. But kind of interesting. I didn't count the cars. Were there 16? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Well, I got 16 cars. I have to say I'm not terribly upset with them. If I was hoping for an F box, though, I'd definitely be upset. And I understand why people are upset. It's unfortunate that people are using this as a way to churn cars, get rid of ones they don't want, keep ones they want at no cost to them. I'm not too upset with what I received, but all in all, I can understand why people are upset by these returns. This was cheaper because it was in used good condition. Now, let me take another look here at that picture I took. It was $20.92 as opposed to the $24.99 of the typical box. So there you have it. Your results may vary. Thanks for watching these videos. I had to do this. I don't know. It was stupid. I've even said it was a stupid thing to do before. And then I went and did it. So what is it? Do as I say, not as I do. Everybody, thanks for watching. Stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.